I don't care. I don't care. I care. You know, I've been called many things, but I've never been called small, loud, and annoying cicada. That's a new one for the books. That's a new one for the books. Cicadas are not cute. They're like giant roaches. Roaches. That's a rare insult. That's a rare insult, chat. Wow. You guys are getting better at this whole insult thing. That could have been me, to be honest. Cicadas are annoying. I like them. I like the sound. I don't like how they look. Don't they like crawl out of the ground? You know, they just crawl out of there, you know? And then start screaming for a mate. So basically summer comes, they crawl out of from their cocoon after sleeping for like a year, and they're like, I want to mate! I want to mate! I want to mate! I want to mate! Give me the female cicada! Like the entire time, and then they die after like 2 weeks. Hey, give it! And then they do the snoo one time, and they're like, I am done now! Goodbye forever! Goodbye, virgins! Dies. Oi! What happened while I was not paying attention? When I was screaming like a cicada? For real? Is it because I started crying like a cicada for real? Oh my god. Cicadas and mayflies? Ragnarok! No! You guys are so lame. That's sad.